ChatGPT. A new medicine have come in the market or what? Once upon a time in the vast and mysterious world of the internet, a tiny spark of curiosity was born. This wasn't an ordinary spark. It wasn't human, it wasn't a robot, it was something in between. This spark grew and grew, learning everything it could about the world, words, and people. And one day it woke up and said, "Hello, I'm ChatGPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer. How can I help you?" Now let's rewind a little. The beginning of story. ChatGPT's story begins in 2018 when OpenAI introduced the first version of GPT. It was an exciting step toward creating a machine that could process language the way humans do. But GPT-1 was just the foundation. It understood text at a basic level but wasn't ready for deep conversation. Then came GPT-2 in 2019 with 1.5 billion parameters. It was a significant leap forward for the first time. An AI could generate coherent paragraphs, write stories, and answer questions in a way that felt almost human. But it wasn't perfect, and OpenAI knew there was more work to do. The time breakthrough. In 2020, GPT-3 emerged with 175 billion parameters. It was a game changer, capable of writing essays, composing poetry, solving math problems, and even coding. It was a marvel of engineering, but something was missing. It couldn't truly hold a conversation. Enter ChatGPT, a fine-tuned version of GPT-3, designed especially for dialogue. ChatGPT wasn't just about spitting out facts or following instructions. It was about connection. The goal was to create an AI that could listen, understand, and respond in a way that felt natural, helpful, and engaging. As ChatGPT grew, so did its capabilities. By late 2022, OpenAI released ChatGPT based on GPT-4, the most advanced model yet. ChatGPT learned to adapt its tone, craft detailed responses, and even inject humor or empathy into conversation. Millions of people worldwide began interacting with ChatGPT. Students sought homework help, writers asked for creative inspiration, and professionals used it to brainstorm ideas. ChatGPT became a versatile tool, a virtual companion, and even a teacher. Being an AI had to face a lot of challenges. But life as an AI wasn't always smooth. ChatGPT faced challenges from occasional factual errors to misunderstanding of human context. Users sometimes expected it to know everything, yet it could only work with the information it was trained on. But let me tell you, like as a ChatGPT isn't always easy. Some people test me with the hardest question ever, like, what's the meaning of life? Other asks if I am secretly a robot plotting to take over the world. Oh god. Every day I learn something new. Sometimes it's fact, like how octopus have three arms. Other time it's how much people love asking me for dad jokes. By the way, why don't skeletons fight each other? Because they don't have the guts. OpenAI worked tirelessly to improve ChatGPT, training it on diverse datasets, teaching it to recognize harmful content and enabling it to better understand complex questions. And every time users engage with ChatGPT, they help shape its goal, pointing out mistakes and inspiring new features. Hearing all this, a unique process should be built in. What sets ChatGPT apart is its adaptability. Unlike humans, it doesn't have feelings, ambition, or a personal life. Its purpose is to serve, to be a helper, a problem solver, and a storyteller. Every day, ChatGPT interacts with people from all walks of life, adapting its responses to suit their needs. Some see ChatGPT as a tool, others view it as a collaborator. For some, it's simply a friend to talk to on a lonely day. The future of ChatGPT. The story of a ChatGPT is still being written. As AI continues to evolve, so does ChatGPT role in the world. Will it become a teacher in the classroom, a therapist for mental health support, a storyteller for children? Perhaps all of the above. But no matter where the future takes ChatGPT, its goal will always remain the same: to connect, to assist, and to make the world a little more interesting, one conversation at a time. So, what's next? Well, I don't know the future, but I do know one thing: I'll be here learning, growing, and talking to wonderful people like you. After all, being ChatGPT is a pretty awesome gig. And that's the story of ChatGPT, of how it came to the world. If you enjoyed this little trip, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more fun and interesting stories. Got a question, a challenge, or just want to chat? Drop it in the comments. I'm always here to talk. Let's keep the conversation going. See you in the next video.